Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today I have a beautiful morning routine for you to wake up the body, relieve some pain and aches and start the day fresh. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall and relax your whole body. And I want to begin this routine with a head and neck massage. This is very good to do first thing in the morning. So run your fingers through your hair and applying a little pressure. Massage the skin all around from front to back. Behind the ears and the back of the head. Very good. Then go ahead and massage the ears. You can twist and turn or just press up and down, whatever feels good. This is a very easy and effective way to wake up the senses and just instantly feel fresh and recharged. Very good. Then with the open palm, we're going to massage the neck. Again, applying a little pressure, squeeze muscles of the neck up and down. Then change hands and do the same. Very good. Relax down. Make your hands into a loose fist and knock on the chest. Starting from the breastbone, go up, under the collarbone, and back down. Here, go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. Exhale out through the mouth. Inhale in. Exhale. One more time. Inhale in. And exhale. Very good. Let your arms relax and rest for a moment. Next, we're going to tap the arms. So starting from the front of the shoulder, go down on the inside of the arm. Turn at your pinkies and go up, covering the back of the shoulder. Go down and up. Then switch sides and tap the other hand. Back of the shoulder, front and down. Very good. Let your arms relax to the side for just a second. In the meantime, notice the sensations inside. Notice how you feel, especially the chest and your arms. We're going to move down to the lower back. So bring your hands to the lower back and rub gently, starting from the tailbone and go up. Creating friction and bringing the energy to the lower back. Feel the warmth from your hands. Penetrates through the body. Warming up the area, releasing some pain and soreness if you have any. Last one here. Rub gently and relax. Very good. Take a moment here to let your arms relax and loosen up a little bit. And next we're gonna take a nice deep breath in. Come up on your toes, inhale, exhale down. Nice and easy. Inhale, arms float up. Exhale, soften down. Inhale, go up. Exhale. Last one here. Inhale. And exhale. Very good. And bring your feet together. Turn to the side, both palms facing the sky. Raise your hands up. Turn to the other side. Exhale down. Inhale, stand up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one on this side. Exhale. Come back to center and then switch sides. So both palms raising up to the left. Exhale on the other side. Inhale up. Exhale. Keep your breath slow and gentle. Inhale. Exhale. Last one here. Inhale. Exhale down. Come back to center and slowly raise up. So keep your feet together, or if you want more stability, you can place them shoulder width apart. We're going to raise the hands through the side and then look up, opening the chest to the sky. Then round your back, chin to the chest, squat down. Inhale, open, breathe in. Exhale, soften. Let me show you the side view. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, open. Be gentle to yourself. Not much effort here. First thing in the morning, you want to gently wake up the body. Nice and easy, without stressing it out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale, open. Exhale. And this time, inhale. And exhale. Just let your arm flow down. Softening and relaxing the whole body. And slowly raise your hands through the side. We're going to come up on our toes. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, go up. Nice deep breath in. Exhale. Last one here. Inhale. And exhale. Very good. And we're going to finish this routine by tapping the lower body. So begin with your hips. Then move to the top of the glutes and tap in the back of the legs. Go down. Pause at the kneecaps. Go down. Tap your toes and come up on the inside, stopping at the kneecap as well. Come up. down the back of the legs. Pause at the kneecap, go down. Pause in the center and come up. And last one, we're gonna tap the sides of the legs all the way down. One more time. Raise up, relax, shake off your legs, shake off your arms. And to finish, just come up on your toes and release down. That's my favorite part. Inhale, go up, and inhale. Feel free to do whatever feels good. Raise up your arms and just raise up your shoulders. And last one. Very good. Take a nice big breath in. Exhale all the way down. Nice and easy. And take a moment here to notice how your body feels. It was quite an energizing routine, so lots of space and awareness, lots of sensations. Notice how your head feels. Notice your whole body. What changed after you've done these exercises? Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you feel nice and energized and ready for your day. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel so I can do more videos like this for you. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.